Smart locks, a low-maintenance solution for your business in Memphis. Are you hesitant to transition to smart locks because of maintenance concerns? Switching to smart locks may seem daunting, but the truth is they are designed to be simple, efficient, and user-friendly, offering more benefits than traditional locks ever could. The most common task for maintaining smart locks is replacing batteries, typically required only every 6 to 12 months. These locks use standard batteries, making replacements inexpensive and hassle-free. Regular maintenance ensures your locks operate smoothly, keeping your business secure without unnecessary effort. Smart locks are crafted with durability and modern technology in mind. With proper care, their performance remains optimal for years. From app-controlled systems to backup keys, these locks empower you to manage your security efficiently while addressing modern safety demands with ease. At Ken's Locksmith, we understand your concerns and prioritize your peace of mind. Our experts provide tailored smart lock solutions for businesses, focusing on ease of use and longevity. We're here to guide you, ensuring smooth installation and offering customer support every step of the way. Upgrade your business security today with smart, dependable solutions. Contact Ken's Locksmith of Memphis now at 954-237-4592 or visit kenslocksmith.com, your reliable partner in securing what matters most.